The teacher was telling the children about a similar program at school. Dear students, I am very happy to tell you that we are going to arrange a program at our school in which you all will get to learn a lot of new things.
Sir, what kind of program?
So children, you all know that there were no computers in our school and all our teachers were working on this for a long time. And now computers will be set up in our school too. Tomorrow all the arrangements for computers will be done and children of all classes will be taught the computers.
Oh wow, there will be computers in our school too? Wow, I have never used a computer before. A lot of work is done through computer. I also want to learn computer. Wow, every school has computers. Now we will have it too.
In this way, the conversation started among all the children regarding the computer, and the voice of the children also started increasing in the class. Kids, calm down. This program will start from tomorrow. Notice will be put on the notice board too. The teacher left the class. Gattu, Chinky, Hari, Bunty, Pinky and Bhushan all started jumping in the joy of computer.
Yay, we will learn computers. 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 It will be really fun.
The next day, all the children started waiting for the instructions from Sir. All the students will proceed towards our newly built computer lab. Kids, make a row. Just like that, all the children formed a line and started walking towards the computer lab. It was a big hall in which air conditioning was blowing, and many computers were kept on the table. The children's faces lit up after seeing the new hall.
Wow, what a nicely built computer lab.
All the kids sat down in front of the computer. All of you have started computers. Whatever you know about computers, try to do that. I will give the training to everyone later.
Oh God, what is this? I know a little bit about computers, but what if something goes wrong? Gattu, I think we should not touch the computers. How would it be possible to operate a computer without learning? Let's sit in front of the computer for the first time. So, until the teacher does not teach anything, we will just keep on watching.
Shh! No one will talk. Try to do as much as you understand the computer. Gattu and Chinky started looking at the computer very carefully. Chinky looked at the entire keyboard carefully and started observing the computer. Gattu also looked at the computer carefully and Gattu automatically took the mouse in his hand.
Look, Chinky, it makes it easier for us to operate the computer. It's probably called a mouse.
Chinky also took the mouse in her hands and started using it. An arrow came on the computer screen because of the mouse.
See this, Chinky? The arrow came. With the help of the arrow, we click on the computer.
Chinky started playing with the arrow by moving the mouse up and down.
Oh wow! Operating a computer is really easy.
On the other hand, Bunty just switched off the computer button and the computer got shut down.
Oh my god, I messed up the computer.
The teacher quickly moved towards Bunty and started laughing after seeing that. Bunty, you have switched off the computer. It haven't got messed up. But remember, not to switch off the computer like this. You have to shut down first. And then the teacher restarted the computer for Bunty and also taught Bunty how to shut down. The computer got shut down and Bunty started the computer once again.
Well, sir, we have learned to turn off the computer, but we have to learn to operate it as well. Sir, Gattu told me about the mouse. Because of this, it becomes easy to run the computer.
Very good, Gattu. Now let me teach you some basic functions of the computer. The teacher opened Paint on Chinky's computer for drawing. All the children will open Paint in their computer. When computer is taught for the first time, we all will learn how to operate the mouse first.
Yes, sir. If we can operate mouse properly, we can operate computer also.
Right. Now everyone will make a beautiful drawing by taking different shapes. The children started drawing with the help of the mouse just how their teacher had told them. Chinky made a nice drawing of a house, adjusting shapes like round, rectangular and lines. Chinky became savvy about operating the mouse. She learned to handle the mouse really quick.
Look, Gattu, my drawing is done. What did you draw? See, Chinky, I can operate the mouse really well now. I have made this complicated drawing, which won't be understood, but I practiced well.
Along with Chinky, the teacher and the rest of the class started laughing. Gattu, when you will make well, only then it will be good practice. In this way, Gattu Chinky learned to handle the computer. Giving more time, Gattu practiced a lot to handle the mouse as well. As this program of computer training will run for 8 days, so no one will remain absent, okay?
Sir, we have to practice more.
If it is so, then you can come early tomorrow to practice drawing. In this way, today's time with computer also ended. Gattu Chinky reached home. As soon as they reached, Gattu and Chinky started calling Mom.
Mom, Mom, Mom.
Dad was at home only. He said, "What happened, Gattu Chinky? Why are you making noise?" Seeing their father, Gattu asked his father for his laptop.
Dad, please give me your laptop.
Laptop? Why do you need my laptop?
Today we learned computer.
Wow, Gattu, you learned to use computer at school.
Not properly, Papa, but I have to practice using the mouse. Please give me your laptop.
After hearing this conversation between Gattu and Dad, Mom said,
Gattu, you will learn computer well only by practicing. But it will be better to practice on computer because there are important documents of Dad on the laptop.
Oh, Mom, Dad do all his work on computer and laptop only, doesn't he?
Yes, Tinky, that is why both of you also practice well on the school computer.
Yes, Gattu Chinky. If you will learn to use computer well, then we will have a computer at home. Agreed?
Yes, why not?
Really, Mom and Dad? Yay! Then we will learn computer well as soon as possible so that we get new computer at home.
In this way, Gattu and Chinky practiced computer well for 8 days at school's computer training program and diligently learned how to operate the computer.
If you are like